I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't posted. I have been sick, but I am back to bring you this delicious recipe, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so right now I'm putting olive oil on the pan. I'm letting it heat up. I'm gonna add garlic to it. Make sure you stir that around. And I ended up using the whole thing, so put the whole thing of heavy cream in there. Now I'm adding my sour cream, my cream cheese, a little bit of butter, you want to make sure you stir it around and let that cook down until it's all liquid. And then I'm going to add the shrimp bouillon, and you want to crumble it up. This is going to give it that really good seafood flavor. Make sure you stir it up, let it cook down. And then you're going to add that cheese. And when you're adding the cheese, you want to make sure that there's no clumps. You want to make sure that your Alfredo is very creamy. And I'm going to grate some Parmesan, some fresh Parmesan. Seafood seasoning. You're just going to add a little bit of that. You really don't need too much seasoning because the cheese has a lot of salt in it. I did put a little garlic salt for that extra oomph. So now I'm going to be seasoning my scallops. I'm going to put seafood seasoning, garlic salt, and a little bit of pepper. Not too much, just enough. And then you're going to cook that with a little bit of olive oil, let it get heated, and then just brown them. And then after you're finished cooking them, you dice them up and add the crab and shrimp. And, you know, you mix it up. And don't forget to keep stirring the Alfredo sauce. You want to make sure that it's nice and creamy. I added Parmesan to the seafood mixture. And now I'm just going to be dipping my shells inside the Alfredo sauce and then stuffing them with the seafood. And then adding them to the pan. And now I'm going to add a little bit of Swiss cheese to the top, followed up with some shredded Parmesan cheese. And then I'm going to pop it in the oven and let that cheese melt. And then when it's melted, we are all done. Voila, this is the outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And it came out delicious. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more. And thank you guys. I have reached 61 followers. I know that may not be a lot to some people, but it is a lot to me. I can't wait till I hit 100.